Mistake, I popped up the wrong screen. It just said next fighter, so it's not horrible.
Just crop it out.
No, I don't want to put any more work into this than I already am. Not like I'm getting paid. Extra. But if I can monetize that YouTube channel, you betcha I'm going to take a payday.
Monetize, that's your bank account, not his.
Exactly. Hey babe, can you uncap my water? I'm just like super thirsty.
Wait, so who's paying for the gas in the generator?
Yes, we are.
We are.
You volunteered it.
I'm just kidding. I can run that thing for probably a day on the tank.
How much is that generator? Did you buy it?
I'll sell it to you for 300.
300. How much did you buy it for?
Huh?
How much did you buy it for?
I didn't buy it.
Exactly.
It came with the trailer.
Yeah.
For the one I want, 500.
So, 225.
Solid 300.
No, because it's 75 bucks ready, right?
Huh?
Take the 75 bucks off.
We're just at 75 bucks for gas.
Is that a nice one?
I mean, it runs. First pull. I don't know. I don't know anything about generators. I don't know. I literally know nothing about it. It just runs, and it runs my trailer, so.
I don't know anything about them either, so I'll look into it, and I'll tell you.
I'll bring my police tape next time. It'll freak people out.
I know.
Just a friendly reminder, love. Thank you for telling me to buy the good microphones. Sometimes you need to push me to spend more money. I'm glad I did. It's getting, even though these aren't meant for this, these mics are great. Interview mics for a boxing match. So, babe, can you post a story to Instagram? Well, saying watch the fights on YouTube, on Stewart Nutrition YouTube. We'll be posting shortly. We'll be posting this evening. I should tell them for what I'm doing for them. They should give us all free gym access for a year. I want to do jiu-jitsu and stuff. I don't personally.
Okay. I mean, I looked at the way they do stuff.
I just want to use their sauna.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Maybe not boxing, but jiu-jitsu for sure.
Boxing seems okay. Jiu-jitsu, no thank you.
Oh, they're calling it.
I was going to use that photo though. It was a good photo.
To see the fight, go to Stewart Nutrition YouTube.
Well, if they have an issue with it, then there's a chip that you get to use.
And your winner, from the blue corner, Daniel Tracy.